Hi everyone! As Java developers, we often have hard times debugging in large and unfamiliar code bases in order to fix bugs or to understand what the program does. Flow Visual Debugger will give you a new experience of debug. It's highly visual because the execution of programs is visualized as a graph. It offers reversible debugging, which means that you can debug not only forward, but also back in time. Moreover, variable values are represented in a more concise and expressive form than Eclipse. Now let's get started. First, to install the Eclipse plugin of Flow Visual Debugger, just drag and drop the install button into your running Eclipse. Then follow the instructions to complete the installation. You can safely ignore this security warning. Once the installation is completed, you can find and open the view of Flow Visual Debugger in your Eclipse. Then you can follow the instructions indicated in this view. Now let's do it step by step. First, click the Start Flow button to launch the plugin. Then open the Flow web application in your browser. Use Download Agent button to download the Flow Agent jar to your machine. Now, come back to Eclipse. The next step is to attach the Flow Agent jar that has been downloaded to a Java program. Here for the demo, I'm going to run a unit test in the Spring Pet Clinic sample application. Open the run configuration of this test and add the VM argument. Java agent, the path to the Flow Agent jar equals the packages separated by comma. You can do the same thing for any other types of Java application, such as a web application running a server or a Maven build. When everything is set up, you can start the recording of this test from the Flow web app and return back to your Eclipse and run the test. Once the execution is completed and processed by Flow, a notification will indicate that the recording is ready, and you can start to replay the execution step by step. Flow will display the functions that have been called in each thread and also the relationships between the functions. On the right side, you can open the sidebar and find an overview of the execution, including the Java classes that are concerned. When you click a function, Flow will highlight the callers and callees, and also get you to the function definition in your Eclipse. If you want, you can also put a color tag and some comments in it. The whole map can be exported to a JSON file. You can re-import it to continue the work or send it to a colleague to explain your work. You can easily change the layout or deactivate the auto zoom through settings. At the end, if you have any idea or feedback, please send it to us. We will be very glad to improve the tool. Thank you very much for watching this video.